They are from the grandmasters of the realm. By consuming them, you are sealing the covenant of the unbreakable secrecy among you three. Should any of you betray another, that person shall die instantly. Oh, yes. And also, whatever laws you may break by pursuing these covenants, let me tell you, you will also die. Die! No human need a spirit of no kind shall stop on your path of your achievement. This covenant will make all of you spiritually indestructible. Indestructible! Now eat! Lick the fruit! Eat! I mean, lick the fruit. Lick. Lick the fruit. Go now! Go! I said go! Go! And don't forget to bring the price when all this is over. Oh, yes. Oh, yes!
Who did this to you? Who did this to you? Talk to me. Who? Talk to me. Please talk. Who did this to you? What? Wise one.
Gods of Allah! What have you done?
Wise one, I did not kill her. I did not kill her. I don't know. I just saw her lying down dead here. I did not kill her. My husband needs to believe me. I did not kill her, please. I did not kill her, please. I did not. Please, my husband.
What have you done?
No, I did not. I did not. I did not kill her. Where's my? You have to believe me. I did not kill her. I did not touch her.
Hey, Chimo. Grandmother, you are so funny. Hey.
Asam, you have not seen anything yet. Grandmother is all in one. She is kind, wise, loving. In fact, she is everything. Her bag of jokes is never ever empty.
Yes. You can say that again. Honestly speaking, I have not spent a moment in this family without laughing so hard. Hey, grandmother, I don't even know where she gets her jokes from.
Laughter is a medicine to the soul, my dear. Love, patience, and tolerance are cornerstone of marriage.
This is
Interesting. So interesting. And your ways with words are very exceptional. Honestly, I feel so privileged being married into this family.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ijoma. Greatly, you're a gift to us, my dear. Your beauty, your brain, and your virtue on 2 feet. We all here cherish you so much.
And I appreciate you all too. I cherish and adore you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We appreciate you.
Yeah.
And trust me, you are a treasure to all of us.
Yes.
Chai.
My love,
Bim.
you are my moon in a clear sky. And I will love you forever.
I will love you forever too, my king.
Don't remind me what I forgot.
What did you forget? What are they reminding you of?
You people should pity
What
this
is good for the
bachelor.
geese is good for the gander. That is grandmother for now.
Okay, everyone. My wife and I will have to be on our way so we can return before nightfall.
So soon?
Yes,
So soon.
My warm regards to my sister and her husband.
They will hear. Let us go.
Oh well.
Grandmother, when I come back, you tell me more stories.
Why are you defying me, Abugo? Why haven't you told him the truth?
Oguma, please. Do not hurt me. I wasn't the one that killed you. You're innocent.
I know who killed me, Abugo. And that is not what I'm talking about. Why haven't you told Egwatu the truth as I demanded?
Oguma, I tried. But I could not. The snake that bit me 31 seasons ago will swallow my son if I tell him. It will endanger my family. In fact, it will destroy my whole family.
The time for justice has come. And my blood is boiling for vengeance. Apugo, you are standing on my way with your selfish excuses. And that is very dangerous.
Oguma, please. Do not do this to me. How can I possibly tell Egwatu the truth without... Please.
The event that will avenge me will be triggered by that same truth you are refusing to tell Egwatu. Apugo, you are testing my patience. Tell him the truth now if you really love him. If Egwatu steps his foot on Alayi's soil without you telling him the truth, he will not come back alive.
Oguma, please don't do this. Do not do this to me. Egwatu and his wife are on their way to...
Tell him the truth now if you really love him. If he steps his foot on Alayi's soil, I will destroy him.
No! 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 Amo. Chimebuomo. Mwamo. Hey! Egwatu mwamo. Hey! Chimebuomo. Ancestors, the one maka. Hey! Hey! So it's a nightmare. Chimo. Chimo.
Onye? Who is there?
Mother, is me, Egwatu.
Egwatu. Have you called off the trip?
No. I want us to...
You will not have my ears until you call off that trip.
Nay, please.
You heard me?
Obim.
Asam,
What are you doing here? I've been waiting for you in our chamber to...
I came to see my mother. I need to get something from her. Since you need my attention, let us go.
I cannot allow the snake that bit me 31 seasons ago to swallow my son. Whoever that murdered Ogwoma will go to any lengths to protect his or her bloody secret. He or she will not hesitate to make my Egwatu his or her next innocent victim. No one will protect my son if that happens. After all, the gods of my ancestors and the spirit of my late parents all stood aside and watched the cruel injustice that was visited upon me 31 seasons ago to occur, doing absolutely nothing.
I did not do it. I swear with my life I did not do it. I swear with the spirit of my late parents. I swear with heaven and earth. I did not kill Ogwoma. I did not kill her. I did not do it.
Wise one, listen to my sister. She did not do it. I believe her. Please.
Yes, wise one. I already met her in the pool of her blood with the knife beside her. I didn't kill her. Kim. My husband, please don't do this to me. I did not kill Ogwoma, please. I did not. I did not kill her, please.
I am sorry, my dear. I do not believe you. The weapon used at the murder scene was your kitchen knife.
What you saw was...
The Ezemo, the chief priests, and I. We saw everything.
What you both saw?
Enough! Enough, Wazico. Earlier on, our people gathered here, but you failed to prove the claim of innocence. We are here today to execute the guilty verdict. We are not here to entertain your plea of innocence.
But the people of Allah did not order for my marriage to be disbanded, right? My husband, please, don't do this.
The gods has decreed.
Wise one, please. Beg the gods to change their decree. Remember, we are orphans. My sister did not do it. Please. And my sister do not have any other place to go to, aside from Alai.
Please.
Ure, enough! Don't anger the gods by pleading on your sister's behalf. Akugo, kneel before no deity and let the womb that carried Okwama also kneel. Kneel now. Akugo, kneel. Wait. In Alai, a native vow is used to seal or dissolve a marriage when the need arises. Today, I hereby use this vow to dissolve the marriage between Ekweme and Akugo. Rema, kneel. Kneel before the secret of Alai.
Rema. My husband. I am innocent. You people should not do this to me. I am innocent. I am innocent.
Afọ. Wow. Ekweme, take Urema home. She's now your wife.
Urema.
This is the decree of the gods. Take her home as your wife. Akugo, henceforth, you are hereby banished from Alai land. The moment you step out of Alai land, any indigene that has any kind of contact with you will drop dead immediately.
I am innocent. I am innocent.
Akugo, go! Go before the anger of Alai will strike you dead.
I am innocent.
Go!
My husband, I am innocent.
Akugo, go before you drop dead. Go now!
I cried. I begged. I fainted and regained consciousness twice before we got to the border. But it did not move the gods and my ancestors to rise to vindicate me. That allowed the reign of injustice to soak my body and my soul. That allowed me so far. Who is there?
Mother, please. Please open the door.
Egwatu, go away. Have you called off the trip?
Yes.
Egwatu, swear with your manhood that you're not lying to me.
God of my ancestors. Mother! How can you say a thing like that?
Swear to me, Egwatu. Swear to me.
Okay, fine. I swear, I have called it off.
I'm so sorry. A mother shouldn't have made such a grave demand from her own son. Believe me, Egwatu, I do not wish you evil. Even at the point of death, I do not wish you evil.
I understand, Mother. But you know why I'm here.
You came to get answers from me.
Exactly. What is going on?
What did you tell Ijoma was the reason you cancelled the trip?
Exactly what you wanted. I told them everything. Everything.
And they all believed you?
Yes.
Thanks to the ancestors. But Urema may be worried and will send someone, to come.
I will find a way to send words across to her. To tell her the reason for the cancellation. Can you please talk to me?
I overheard Ironsi saying he will be going to Akbaka Forest to hunt. Please, I want you to go with him.
Mother, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why can't you just talk to me? I know you're trying to avoid my questions. Listen, if you do not answer me, I will abandon you here and go back to Alai. Just talk to me. I need to know what is going on.
Don't worry about it. Don't bother about it. Just go to the Akbaka Forest with your brother to hunt. When you come back, I will tell you everything.
Swear it.
I swear it. I will tell you.
Okay, you're here.
I'm ready to go to the market.
Let me see. I wish you great sales.
Thank you. Why are you sharpening your cutlass like this?
Udodi. I want to prepare some fresh palms for tapping. The ones I am currently tapping are due for rest for at least one season.
Take care of yourself. Be safe on the trees.
I will. One.
What happened to you? Why are your hands and swords soaked in blood? Nothing happened to me. Rather, I happened to something. Something that is about to change my life for good. I don't understand you, brother. Does a man who is injured, a man who is deeply injured, does he make sounds of joy? No, he does not. Then why were you shouting? Rosie, relax. Come with me. Come. Let me show you something.
Father, please. Don't kill me, don't kill me, please.
The past you thought you had buried forever has resurrected.
The past? How? What?
The young man who just hunted down a leopard is your nemesis.
What do you mean? How?
His name is Egwatu, the first son of Akugo.
Akugo? Ure's banished sister?
Yes, he is your arch nemesis. He embodies the fire of Ofonogo, the gods of justice and fair play. Ofonogo and the ancestors of Alai are with him. He is a legend and your nemesis. 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 He is a legend and your nemesis.
Father! Hey, what are you doing with this? No, drop it. Don't try it. Drop it. Don't. I am sorry, Father. You left me with no other choice. Don't, please. Don't kill me. Don't try it. Now, drop it.
Let's get out of here now.
You just went in there to ease yourself. What happened? Why are you running?
I am talking, you're still talking. If anything happens to here, do not blame me or anyone for it. I'm going. Let's go!
Achuba, I have someone ahead of me with an instruction to bring you back to Alai for killing your own father. And if you refuse to follow me, I will expose you to the entire village.
I never believed that anyone saw me. Ure, you saw me?
Yes, I saw you. You dare not.
Ure, please! Ure!
Oh, you think I've been sitting back doing nothing?
Ure!
Huh?
Don't kill me! Ure!
I know the implications of not speaking out.
Please.
And I also know how deadly and wicked a man who killed the father can be.
Ure,
I know you will
please.
come for me. Hey, give me the knife. Now! Now!
Ure, please. Don't expose me to our people. I don't want to be buried alive. Upside down.
Now tell me, why did you do it?
My father saw me having intercourse with our chigoot. I pleaded with him. I begged him like a son to choose dump and save my life, but he refused. I cannot risk it being hung. I cannot risk the consequences.
So, because you couldn't risk being hung upside down by the youths in the evil forest, that is why you had the guts to kill your own father. Do you know what would have happened to your father? He would have been dumped if he did not speak up for 7 days.
I begged him to choose dump and save my life as his son, but he refused.
Well, that's by the way. There is something I want you to do for me, and that is why I have not exposed you all this while. And only you can help me achieve it.
You have a need that only me can help you.
Yes, of course. And that can only be achieved if you're fully installed as a chief priest of Alai.
You don't get it. My father's successor can never be installed until his killer is found and punished.
I know. Follow me.
I should follow you. Follow you.
If you hesitate to do what I ask you to do, I swear by the gods I will kill you.
Urema, who is he?
Someone guilty of an abominable deed, just like you.
I don't get it.
Basil, over to you.
My father caught me raping his second wife 5 years ago. Then I've overpowered and killed him. I also killed his wife too. Yes, because she's going to expose me. I conspired with my mother to lie to our people that it is a deaf and dumb of our neighborhood that committed the crime. He caught trying to rape a widow few weeks earlier. Because of that, our people believed us. He was executed for it.
And the gods of your land did nothing to you and your mother.
Speak!
The gods struck me with this.
Ha! Ibi!
Leprosy at the base of your manhood. This is very serious.
Yes, in Ugweke, leprosy around a man or woman private part is a sign that the person has committed a big crime.
How do you intend to hide this kind of disease? Which woman will accept to marry you with this kind of disease you have down there?
That's the confusion I've been battling with.
Well, that's by the way. 8 market days ago, I visited a strong native doctor who revealed everything to me. And that's the reason why we're here. As for you, you have a big role to play in whatever thing I want you to do. Same thing applicable to you. You both will do whatever thing I want you to do. Else, I will expose you to the entire community. We have to wait for Ezemo to come so that we can take the oath. Drop that thing. Now.
They are from the grandmasters of the realm. By consuming them, you are sealing the covenant of the unbreakable secrecy among you three. Should any of you betray another, that person shall die instantly. Oh, yes. And also, whatever laws you may break by pursuing these covenants, let me tell you, you will also die. Die! Unbreakable, no human, neither spirit of no kind shall stop on your path of your achievement. This covenant will make all of you spiritually indestructible. Indestructible! Now eat! Lick the fruit! Eat! I mean, lick the fruit. Lick. Eat the fruit. Go now! Go! I said go! Go! And don't forget to bring the price when all this is over. Oh, yes. Oh, yes!
From Dikogu's shrine, Uremma went to the elders of Ajlai and lied to them that my father was shot by one Mazi Okechi during a heated argument with him over his adulterous relationship with the man's wife. While she was doing that, Mbazo and I were busy strangling the man and his wife in their farm. So, by the time our people got there to arrest him, they met their corpses. I was installed the new chief priest of Alai that same day. Dike Ugo spiritually fortified me to avoid being struck dead by the gods during or after the installation. We then proceeded to execute the plot for which Uremma blackmailed us. We set up her elder sister, who recently got married to Ekweme, a young man that Uremma herself had been secretly admiring for years. Uremma was angry that Ekweme bypassed her to marry Akugo, her own elder sister. For a reason best known to her, she blamed Akugo and secretly hated her for it. She vowed not only to go to any length to take Ekweme from Akugo, but to also make her life so miserable in the process that she would wish for death. We struck Ekweme and Okwoma, who was then Akugo's best friend, with a charm that made them to develop overwhelming lust for each other. We also spiritually pushed them into having sex where and when Akugo would catch them in the act. What followed was also planned and executed by us, both from the spiritual and physical realms.
Okoma. Okoma, who did this to you? Who did this to you? Talk to me. Who? Talk, please. Okoma, please talk. Who did this to you? Okoma. What? My kitchen knife?
Gods of Alai! Akugo, what have you done?
Why son? I did not kill her. I did not kill her. I don't know. I just saw her lying down dead here. I did not kill her. My husband, you need to believe me. I did not kill her, please. I did not kill her, please. I did not. Please, my husband.
What have you done?
No, I did not. I did not. I did not kill her. Where's my? You have to believe me. I did not kill her. I did not touch her.
Uremma had stolen Apugo's kitchen knife earlier that day. I lied with the name of the gods to seal Apugo's fate and also force Ekweme to agree to marry Uremma as replacement for Apugo. Since that day, I have been using my spiritual powers to ensure that everything remained under wraps. And it has been so for 31 seasons. What happened that everything suddenly changed without the spirits giving me any sort of forewarning at all? Why? No. I have to act immediately to avert disaster.
One name, Bula, go. My brother has slain a leopard.
This weather is too hot. The weather is not friendly at all.
Mother. You two are here. This is an appetizer.
What?
It is while I make afternoon meal with Ijoma.
Abacha.
Yes, ma'am.
This goes well with this weather.
I know.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Give her water so that they can eat while you meet me in the kitchen.
Father. Yes. Father. Yes. What is it? What is it? Igwatu, father.
Okay.
What has happened to Igwatu? What has happened to him?
What happened to my son?
Nothing happened to Igwatu. Rather, Igwatu happened to something massive.
I don't understand. What are you talking? What is it? Why are you laughing?
Say something.
Something serious. You're laughing.
Father, the gods have blessed Igwatu massively.
How?
Igwatu killed a leopard in the forest.
Hey!
My husband did what?
Your husband killed a leopard in the forest.
Hey!
Ago. Very soon he becomes the Damantin Wago.
Hey!
What the Mudago?
No, give me one. Let go of my hands. What is this?
Akugo, I should let go of your hands.
Yes, let go of my hands.
Where are you going to?
I'm going into the hut.
Into the hut?
Yes.
Into the hut?
Yes.
Rosie said...
I do not want to hear that news again. Let go of my hands. What is this?
Akugo. What is wrong with you, Akugo?
Akugo! Akugo!
It's okay.
Akugo! Open this door, let me come in. Open it!
But what is it? I will never open this door. Please go away. What is it?
Mother, please. Stop this thing you're doing. But that was not you.
I am not doing anything. I'm only protecting my own.
Akugo, in the name of the gods, please open this door. You are scaring us.
No, it's not me scaring anybody. It is our destiny scaring every one of us.
Akugo, what you're saying here makes no sense to any of us. It makes no sense.
I know my husband, but I cannot say more than I am saying now because of a suffocating fear that I'm battling with right now. I am very sorry, my husband.
Mother, you do not need to apologize. All I need is for my husband to come back safely from that forest. Grandmother said that
I am aware of the implication. Yes. everything that happens when a man kills a leopard in this kingdom is an ancient tradition of this people.
Akogo, then end this drama and play the role as Egwatu's mother. You are endangering the life of your son.
Mbazo, I am not coming out. I am not opening this door. Never.
Rosi, go and get me my Mbazuchi and bring this door down. Now!
Father, we don't need any Mbazuchi. Let me break this door down. Let me break it down. Break it down.
Stop! Hey!
Okay. Akogo, I just fired your father's hunting rifle. The next one I will fire is for the person that will forcefully come into this hut.
You want to kill me before my time?
No, nobody's killing you. It's the tradition that is killing you.
Akogo! Gods of our land.
What is going on?
Hey!
Akogo, my lovely daughter-in-law, please.
Is there any good news? Has she changed her mind?
Obi, my mother threatened to murder herself.
Gods of Ugwoke, you are joking. Your mother threatened to commit murder. What is going on?
Obi, I don't understand and it's driving me crazy. I don't understand. Today is supposed to be the biggest day of my entire family. And I left my brother in Abaka Forest, coming back feeling all proud on top of the world. And there's my mother, acting like a proverbial lizard who calls down the rain on its own mother's funeral.
Over something as precious as my husband's life? Her own son? Chimo, how can destiny elevate my husband's life beyond human comprehension and his own mother is the one fighting him? How?
No! 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 I'm going back there. I will bring down that door.
No,
I'll bring it down. I will. Let me be. I will bring down the door. No. Let me
Move
be.
an inch.
No.
I will use this knife
to tear my belly open. Enough is enough. If you and Ahugo has made up your mind to make Egwatu's days of glory into days of sorrow, shame, and death, accept it. Let the death begin.
Rossi! Rossi! Leave me alone! I said leave me alone! I can't watch Akogo. I can't watch Akogo pouring fire on Egwatu's historic achievement. Ignited. Stand aside! It will not continue!
Stop!
It will not continue! Leave me alone!
Stop!
No.
No. As the eldest in our kindred, the Zundu should know a way out of this. I'm going to his place. Yes.
Be fast about it.
Let me see.
Wayo.
Easy.
Ndo.
No, Butuo.
Zundu, I'm not lying to you. My father threatened to force the door open and she threatened to kill the first person that steps his foot into the room.
Because of my sisters.
My mother that I knew should not for once hesitate to do what tradition demands of the mother of the killer of a leopard for Egwatu. I was expecting her to explode with joy, knowing that her son will be the holder of the prestigious Damanze Obwago title. But no.
Of course. Damanze Obwago is the most prestigious title in our land. The only title that is not given, but can be achieved by actually killing a leopard, which is so rare that it has never been achieved in Ugweke community for more than 100 years now.
Then why is my mother endangering my brother's life instead of celebrating his achievement?
I don't know. We have to do something urgently.
We have to.
Because the ritual of leopard heart consumption must be performed today before nightfall. Or the spirit in leopard Egwatu killed will rise up and consume him. And that is not all.
What else? Zaizundo? What else, please tell me?
Between the moment a man kills leopard
and the moment
the ritual
is performed, is at the mercy of any. I know all this. I know all these things. Please, that is why I'm here. The historic acts of my brother spread like wildfire in this community. Even the good and the bad knows about it. Please tell us. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do to avoid any disaster coming. Nze, please.
My son, calm down. Our ancestors will not bless us and shame us at the same time. Huh? They must do something. My son, come with me. Let's go.
Akugo, in the name of the gods, come out of this drama you have been. Come out.
I am not doing any drama. I am not dramatizing anything. The life of those that are close to us are at stake here.
Akugo, stop. Stop, please. You're scaring us so gravely. With this way you're talking, please stop.
Nedim, it is not intentional. We are all scared. I am scared. I am scared for all of us. I am scared for Egwatu.
What is she talking about? Mother, please, what are you talking about? Do you mean my husband is going to...
Please go away. Go away. Let me be as I kill myself.
Akugo, again this afternoon you've threatened death. Tell us what is going on. Please, I beg you in the name of the gods of this land.
Let's go away!
Akugo, please.
What is keeping my father? Why are they not here yet? Their coming is taking longer than necessary. If they do not come before nightfall, the spirit of this leopard will rise and consume me. No, it cannot consume me. I am not afraid. But they should hurry and come for this ritual. They should just come for the ritual. I am tired already.
Take another step forward and I will break every bone in your body.
Who are you? Who are you?
I am Obiago. I am the heart. I am the rod. I am the raging roar of the leopard you killed.
What do you want from me?
War. Fight. And prevail against the heart of the great god you killed, or get ready to be killed and devoured. Damanze Ubuago is neither a nickname nor a title for the vain and godless. Prove yourself worthy of getting it by fighting me and prevailing against me, or get ready to become the fool to the beast of this forest.
I am not afraid of you.
My husband, leave me alone, Rapumaka, my husband.
Please don't.
They do not talk to me.
If there's anyone to talk to, is your daughter-in-law. Look at what she's doing when she knows my husband's life is at stake when she's even her son.
I know. I understand what you're saying. But please just wait a little. Please wait.
Leave me, I cannot wait. Open this door, Mayusa Noah. Come out. Be ready to kill me today. Get womb, Mayusa Noah, my husband. You must open this door. Come out. Come out, my husband. Open the back of my husband. Stop. Mayusa Noah. My husband, no. My husband. My husband, no. Never put my card in my bia. Open this door, Mayusa.
Ah! I am not scared of you. Come. Ah! 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 Where are you? Show yourself! I am not scared of you. My name is Egwato. I am not scared. If you think you are indestructible, come! Ah! I killed your body, and your spirit is no match.
Where is she? I told you to come with her.
Nah, I don't know. I'm confused. I think she overheard what we spoke about earlier. I don't know. Because she asked me where her husband was and I told her he has gone to perform the ritual. She just screamed and ran. She said she would do everything to stop the ritual.
Obi, Ironsi, go after her. Go. Obi, let's go.
Nah, I'm confused. Hey.
He sent me back with my tails between my legs like a cowardly dog. My father's ghost said he is my nemesis. Akugo's son, my nemesis. My experiences, now my attempts. My experiences so far were trying to kill him. He's proven my father right. I shall need a stronger spiritual power. A stronger spiritual power to deal.
Egwatu, I am sorry.
It's fine.
But our mother begged me never to tell anyone about her leprosy.
And you agreed?
Yes, I agreed because of my unborn child. I was pregnant with you. I had to protect my own child.
I understand everything. I appreciate too. Mother, tell me the truth. Ekweme being my biological father, how true is that? Is it true?